People will come back into your life after they get disappointed with the people who they thought are better than you. This is a very common phenomenon. At workplace, competition for labor, in families, that's love. People tend to reject people, and rejection always comes because of judgment. Your perception towards somebody, how you look at someone. You want money, this person doesn't have money. Oh, this person will never get the money. You want energy, he doesn't have the energy to satisfy my sexual desire. You want maybe the ability to do a specific role. Maybe the lady has failed to develop big bumps. That's for men who love big buttock. So they may choose to reject you and go to another one. After they realize that you were better than those people that they thought were better than you, they will come back again to you. What is the cause of that? That is regret. After they've regretted, that's when they come back. But if they don't regret, they will still leave that person and they will never come back due to what is called shame. So, this is the reason as to why people who thought the other people were better, you will return back. Don't forget to look up to a YouTube channel called Low Folklore so that you will follow the recap of this thing. And when you get there, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.